Finally, I have the Mind Stone.
Vision, no! Okay.
You can't hold back a Titan.
Fuck. We can be at
You should have gone for the head.
Nah. You don't have to kill anyone to get what you want.
You're right, I can just double the resources.
I now pronounce you an official Avenger.
I am edible.
They're magically delicious.
Who are you really?
Done.
Black Panther? How?
How?
I would have gotten away with it too if it wasn't for you meddling kids.
You should have gone for the head.
What?
Hold on.
Wait. Wait, no!
You should have gone for the head.
Wait, is this just a dishwasher glove with marker on it?
No.
And is this just a
No.
mask?
No!
Why is this made out of wood? Where are we?
Who are you?
What?
Wait,
who are
who
you?
am I?
Who are you?
Who are
am
you?
I?
Give me that.
Who are you?
It's
Why do you have a shirt over your head?
I am inevitable.
God.
Oh my God, Thor, is that you?
What?
Give me this.
What are you doing? That's my hammer forged in the dying sun.
Thanks for the glove. This is gonna give you a high price on. Give me the dead glove.
Give me the glove.
Give me the glove.
Yeah, let's take the glove. Take the glove.
Take the glove. Take the glove.
Gotta go.
You should have gone for the head. My hand!
Mine.
Wait a second, you guys aren't the real actors. Who are you?
Hey,
No, wait,
hey,
that's my
hey, you know what?
No.
What was that?
Three, two, one.
You should have gone for the head.
Yep.
Cut.
That was the red line. What the heck?
Oh, I'm sorry.
What's the
Yeah,
red
but
line?
he's
It's right here.
I get that, but he screwed it up. He was supposed to say you should have gone for the head.
People
Yeah,
naturally
how do you
stutter.
miss this?
Well, that's not my problem. That's not my problem.
That wasn't a stutter.
That was not
He
a
just forgot
stutter.
his line
That was
there.
not a stutter.
When I snap my fingers, you will all like and subscribe.
Oh, these guys make pretty good videos.
I'm glad I subscribed.